This video is how to get to the complete class list. Report Manager, class list, and then set your term, view report. I wish that there was a way to see both terms on this list, but there is not at this time. So you would need to run it for quarter 1 and then again for quarter 3 to be able to capture first and second semester. Most of the information doesn't really matter too much. The pattern is like internal to the database, the section. You can tell what period it is by the pattern name or even in the course naming, but this enrollment and this max are the two things that you should look at. So it will tell you what has actually been enrolled. Now, these are not course requests, so if there are a lot of kids outstanding, like some of the high schoolers, when I looked yesterday night when I went to bed, not all of the high schoolers had actually been scheduled into their classes. So this enrollment is actually who has been scheduled and enrolled into their class, and then the max is the max number that we put in. So if you go down, you can see that some of them are at 0. Now, also please note that the Bible, history, language arts, math, and science for each of our self-contained classes are going to be at 0. We haven't enrolled them into the individual classes yet. We have them just in a homeroom class, this 21-2 HR, and that will tell you the actual number of the self-enrolled or self-contained classes. Now you can also do Control F to find something. It will pop up. Mine pops up at the bottom of the screen. And if you wanted to see STEM, I think I already had something in my box. But if you wanted to see something, my recording box is right over the find button. But you can type in STEM and then it will take you to the different places of where it is. So you'll notice STEM Robotics 2 has 0 enrolled.